All right, guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. This is a quick video, quick update about purchasing a car, things that you need to consider when you are purchasing a car as a first timer, as a beginner, cars that you need to avoid, cars that you don't need to buy, what to know, what to do and what not to do. These are very important things I'm going to share with you because I have been discovering these mistakes, and a lot of people, especially new car buyers, are making these mistakes, and it end up affecting their money that they had time earning due to inexperience, due to guidance. This and many things are coming your way. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel yet, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. This is your channel. This is Ghana's #1 automotive channel, and henceforth we guarantee allowing you an insightful motor vehicle experience. So this is quick update, things that you need to know when purchasing a car as a first timer, and cars that you need to purchase to get more money, get more earning from it. These are cars that are reliable, fuel efficiency. So number one, you have to afford what you can. You have to afford what you can. You don't need to compete with anybody. Car buying is not a competition. Life is not a competition in general. So don't need to compete with anybody at all. Spare parts availability is more important. The cost of repairs, which is more important. So number one is what? Afford what you can. So these are more important things. That means you have to buy a car that is reliable. You have to afford a car that is reliable. Number two, you have to buy car that is less fuel efficiency, and these cars are engine capacity 1.6 up to 2.0. These cars are more reliable for you to afford. Number three, you have to consider the spare parts availability because you may repair it at all costs due to maintenance. So check on that. Number four, you have to check for the fuel efficiency. If you are buying a car and the car is consuming too much due to cylinder capacity, it may affect you for the first time. Please don't rush into buying a car that you can't afford. Life is not a competition. Buy a small car, use it, and when you gain experience, upgrade it to a better version or SUV version. That is more important, and that time you can not able to handle it, because you can't handle a car that you can't afford. You can, without an experience, you cannot handle a car for last longer. You may misuse it, handle it anyhow, and it may cause you a lot of problem and increase a cost of repair. So that is number four. I have done a lot of videos through this, and you can go to my channel and check it out. If anything you want me to explain further, let's know in the comment section so that I can able to explain to you. This is more important things that you need to do in general as car aspect. So especially these things are more important, like what I already said, that the number one, you have to afford what you can. Number two, you have to check the cylinder capacity, not more than 2.0. So from 1.0 up to 2.0 is more important, good for beginners. Number three, spare parts availability is more important. Car that you are purchasing, you have to know that the spare parts are available. You can purchase it, and the cost is affordable for you to purchase. That is more important. And then number four, fuel efficiency is more important. Look for a reliable car to buy than to do a competition in life. So number five, you have to check for what? The cost of repairs is more important. That is main important thing, so that you can able to handle the car to of lifespan to expand more, to last longer. That is more important thing. So guys, and this is a quick update I'm giving to you guys, especially those who want to buy a car for the first time, and those who have been mistakenly buy because they don't have this information. Share this video to reach out to them, share to your friends, share to somebody, your social media platform, your WhatsApp status, everybody, including your family, share this video to them because it will help them a lot to, do more. And last but not the least, this is a bonus. Number 6, you have to, do a research before going to buy a car. Purchasing a car, do a proper research. For doing a proper research will enable you to discover our videos, our podcasts, our blogs, and our advice to know what to do at the right time. Thanks for watching Eric Auto Center. This is Ghana's #1 automotive channel, and henceforth we will continue to analyze and update you more automotive and vehicle info so that you can gain more experience. See you then. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center. Please don't hesitate at all to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you power like the like button, and also comment so that I can able to join you in the Eric Auto Center community and rate you on the VVIP as well. Thanks for those sharing my video. Thanks for new subscribers. This month was massive. Thanks for those who have been subscribed for a very long time. God bless you all. Until then, I see you in the next video. Bye bye.